What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of That Savage Kitchen. And as you can see from the thumbnail, today we are doing another spicy chicken video, I guess. Honestly, this week I didn't know what to cook, but I have been in the mood for some mango habanero. But I had all the ingredients and I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to Wingstop. We're going to make our own copycat recipe of Wingstop's mango habanero, but better. So today, that's what we're doing. We are going to be making some mango habanero wings. I hope y'all enjoy, and tell me, what are y'all's favorite wings? Comment that down below. I want to know. Other than that, let's get started. Yeah. First, it all starts with a mango.
Look at that mango.
After whatever that was, we are going to cut our mango. As you can see, your boy was struggling. I really do not like mangoes because of this reason why. And look, I'm still trying to cut it and it's a seed right there. I'm literally using this knife like it's a saw. Mangoes are just so difficult. Like, you gotta peel it, cut it. It's just too much work. You see me struggling again. Too much work for what I think is little reward. You see what I mean? Just too much work. But after we got that situated, we are going to cut up our mangoes. And this is when I realized that I had mangoes
in the freezer. I bought these like a week ago and I haven't used it.
So I just wasted money. I could have used those. Now I took 1 teaspoon of some garlic salt, then 2 teaspoons of some paprika, and 1 teaspoon of some cayenne pepper. Then we're going to give that a good mix and make sure all the fruit is combined. Then we're going to go to our skillet, add some butter, and let the butter become one with the pan. Now that it has, we're going to add our mango and start a quick fire.
It's lit.
So we let the mangoes cook for 15 minutes and then we pulled them off. My dumb forgot to click record when blending up the mango, so I'm gonna do a dramatic reenaction of what I did, but I just blended up the mangoes and the habanero. But here's what I did. After that, now it's time to cook these crispy chicken wings. First, you're gonna need some chicken wings. Obviously, take your chicken wings and first we're gonna just season it with salt. That's it. You want your chicken wings to be dry as possible so we can get that good crust on it. After we have our chicken wings dry and seasoned, we are gonna add some oil and let that heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Now, we're just gonna add our chicken in butt naked, just like this. And what we are doing is trying to double fry these. So we're gonna let these cook for 5 minutes for the first round. And then after that, we're gonna let them cook for another 5 minutes so we can get a crispy exterior. But in the meantime, we are going to add some butter, get your skillet, and we're gonna add our puree back into our skillet. So after we do that, we're gonna add some Frank Red Hot. You can use any sauce you want. And then I added some honey, just a little bit. Then we're gonna kill the heat, add our butter in, and we are gonna mix all that up until it's all melted. And that is how you make your mango habanero sauce. Now you just gotta dip your wings in it. Now back to the frying station, we are going to crank our heat up to 375 and we're going to add our half-baked chicken wings in there. You know it's hot when the oil starts to fart. And we're just going to let these cook for another 5 minutes until they turn to a nice golden brown, as you see right here. And there you go. That is how you make your wings, bro. Now we just gotta bring everything together. Get your crispy wings, then we're gonna add our mango habanero sauce. This is a thick sauce, unlike Wingstop's. Trust me, we flipping it like Wingstop though. We're gonna mix until one wing tries to escape. But that's it. Y'all see how saucy it is, and that is how y'all make some mango habanero wings. Way better than Wingstop. Don't ever go to Wingstop again. Y'all better make it yourself. If y'all don't, I will find you and I will hunt you down. But there y'all go. That is how y'all make the Wingstop copycat mango habanero. Hope y'all enjoy, and I'm out.